Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now today we are going to draw the picture which you see on the computer screen. This is exercise number 15 from your production technical drawing MME 114 as well as computer aided drafting. Okay, so now here what we have to do, we have to draw a front sectional view along line AA. We need to cut the section, then we need to draw the top view, and then we need to draw the left side view. So what shall we do now? Let's first decide how do we go ahead to do this job. So this portion, this complete portion we will make separately first. Then we will create this portion and the center portion. We add all of them together. Then finally we will create one small rectangular cube and subtract from the whole thing. So that will do our job. Okay. What is this length? This length is 100. This is 62. So out of this 100, if 37 goes, then I am left with 63. So I have got 62, 63. First let me create this and extrude it to 20. Okay, let us go to AutoCAD. I have already got a drawing opened. Let me just change this one to 3D view, make it little small. Go here, select ortho on, then 62, enter, then I have to go this way, 63, enter, come back, 62, enter, then 63, enter. Okay, then another enter. So I have got this picture with me. And what shall I do? Let me move it out here on the screen. Let me bring it and fix it somewhere here. Enter. Okay. Now let me just put ortho on. Now let me go back here and again offset by how much? 20. Enter. Which one I should offset? I should offset this one by 20. Okay, and then same line I need to offset by another 20. Then draw another line from the midpoint. Just select the midpoint from here to here. I have selected the midpoint. Now go back to the picture and see here. I have done 20, I have drawn the middle line. So what is this? Diameter 16. He also gives it as radius 8. Either way it will work. Just go here, select circle, center and diameter. Where is your center? Just remove the midpoint, I don't need it. Midpoint also remove. I have got intersection here. Circle from where? I think it's removed or what? Let me check. No, I don't need center, I need intersection. Intersection and then 16. Is it 16? Let me just check it out. Yeah, 16. So I will write it as 16, enter. One more circle, 16, enter. Okay, so now I have it. So what I need to do now, I need to draw a line from this point to this point, enter. Then line from this point to this point, enter. Okay, now what do I need? Do I need these lines? I don't need this, I don't need this. This is also not needed, get rid of this. Now I need to cut it out. That's fine, excellent. So I will just go, press pull. See, I have it here, is it not? Just let me delete this first. So even if I don't delete, it will work. So take this, enter, no need of this, out, no need of this, out. Okay. Press pull, see here, press pull, I can press pull it up by how much? 20, enter. Okay, another enter. So I already have one of my job done. Now let me go and see the picture again. Now here this portion I completed. Bottom one I will do later. Now I have to prepare this. So for this let me prepare the template. What is the template? 62, 37, is it not? So let's go and prepare the template. I have 62, enter, then 37, enter, 62, enter, then either C, enter, or 37, enter. You can do it. Now let me draw a line from the midpoint. Let's just go here, say midpoint, midpoint to midpoint, enter. Okay. Now what do I need now? I need to draw a circle. Let me just go here. I have to draw a circle. This offset is 20. I will do it later. First let me create this one. The center line I need to shift by how much? 25 this side, and on this side by 37. 25 by 2 is how much? 12.5. So I will offset by 12.5, enter. Which line? This line, isn't it? Go this side, come this side, enter. Okay. So after this, what is the next job I need to do? The next job I need to do is offset by 37. 37 means what? 36 means it is 18 and 18 is 36. So 18.5. So I will offset by 18.5. Offset, where is offset? Offset is here. 18.5, enter. This side, enter. Okay. Now let's draw the line from the end point of where? From the end point of this. Let me check it. 37, the outer one. Okay. So from the outer one, from here to this, enter. Then another line from the outer one to the inner line, enter. Okay. So now I have got what I need. Let me just delete it. I don't need this. Don't need this. This is also not needed. This is also not needed. Okay. Now I have one portion here, another portion here. So now let me offset this line by how much? 20. Which line? This line I should offset by 20. Now I need to make a hole. What is the size of the hole? The size of the hole is 10 diameter. Okay. So let me do center diameter. Let me remove the midpoint because it will catch there. I want only at the intersection. Let me go here. See, at the intersection of this, how much I need? 10. 10 is the diameter, correct? Let us check it again. Yes, it is 10 diameter. Okay. So now I am there. So what I don't need, I'll just get rid of these lines. I don't need this. Neither I need this. I need this to make the holes here, which I will do later. Okay. First, let us pull them out. Let me have it here. Exit. So press pull. What is the size of this? Size of this is 44. So let me do this one. 44. Enter. 44. Enter. Okay. And then enter. Fine. Then again, what else you have got? You have got 20 and 12. 20 plus 12 is 32. So I will pull this one by 32, the center one. Press pull. The center one I will pull by how much? 32. Enter. Okay. And then enter again. So now see, I will just move the whole stuff out. First let me make it as a, which one? Hidden, so that I can see it nicely. See. Now let me join them. Join which one? This one, this one, this one. 3 joined together. Now let me move it out. Here. And I move it out. It's all there. Okay. So what I have here, I have this one. Let it be there. No problems. So I will just move the center stuff out from the way. I just get this one out here. Let it be there. Now what can I do? I can join this one with this one very easily. Let me join it. Move this one from the end point. Let me just catch the end point. From the end point of this to the end point of this. See? It's already joined, is it not? So now what I need to do? I need to make a union. Please do that one first. This one with this one. Enter. See? Everything is gone and you are perfectly okay. So now what I need to do, I need to create a slot in the bottom, then I need to create two holes here. First let's do the slot. See, slot is how much? 50, 100 is the width and height is 6. 50 into 100 into 6. This is 50, this is 100, 50, okay, and then enter. Now what I need to do, I need to press pull by how much? 6. Enter, okay, and another enter. Please move it out because you have got a template at the bottom that will create trouble later. See, I am here. Now what I will do, I will move this one from where? Move, enter from the midpoint. There is no midpoint selected. Go to O snap, select midpoint, okay, remove these endpoints, intersection, everything. Say from the midpoint of this to the midpoint of this. Now you are there. So what is the next job for me? Just I don't need this, just get rid of this. Now I need to subtract, is it not? So subtract from which one? From this. Enter. What I need to subtract? I need to only subtract this. Be careful, you only select that portion. Click. It did not go. It did not go. So what shall I do now? I will remove this. I'll make it wireframe. Okay. So now subtract this one from this. Enter. What I need to subtract? This. See here. This one. It's now there. Blue color. Enter. Something went wrong. It did not subtract. Let me check. What's the matter? Okay. Subtract from this one. Enter. Which one I need to subtract? Oh, there is a line here. That's all. Okay, that's fine. Just move this one out. See, that was the template. What was left out? So just let's get rid of the template. It's already subtracted. Okay. Now just change the color. Make it. See, it's already done. That's the problem. If you don't remove the template immediately, then you will be in trouble. Now, let's take this template for our work. Just let us get it out here somewhere. Now what do I need now? I need to make the center for the hole. See here, how much is this? This is 12, is it not? And then what else I need? I need, this is 44, he is telling, any center line 22 that side, 22 this side. Okay, so I don't need this center hole now. All this stuff I don't need. Let me remove everything. I don't need that. So what do I need? I need to draw a line from the midpoint to the midpoint here. Enter. Then offset by how much? 22. Enter. This side and this side. Okay. And then what was the other dimension? Other dimension was 12. Offset by 12. Which one I should offset? This line. Good. So I have my template ready. Now I have the intersections. What should be the size of the hole? He says 2 holes, diameter 6, deep 20. First, let's draw the holes. 2 holes. Center diameter. Just go here, remove this one. Midpoint I don't need, make intersection. 6. And then repeat circle. This is the intersection. 6. Enter. Oh, sorry, something went wrong. Let me just undo it. Let me delete it. I took it radius. Okay. Center diameter 6. Okay. Now I have everything with me. Just remove these lines. I don't need these lines. Now what I need to do? I need to do press pull for this one. How much? 20 down, and again this one 20 down. Okay. So now we are ready. Now what I will do now? I will just move this one. Move the whole stuff. Enter. From where? From the end point of this to the end point of, let me just go and take it, end point. point of this to the end point of this. Okay, so now it's already there. Okay, so what I need to do now, first I need to do the subtraction. Subtract from which one? From the main one. Enter. What I need to subtract? So this one and this one. See, they are becoming blue, is it not? Enter. It is subtracted. Now just move out your drawing, leaving the template aside. So your template is there. Just delete this template out. Okay, done. Your drawing is ready now. Alhamdulillah. So now Z enter, E enter. See, everything is there. Zoom extends. So now we are there. Your drawing is ready. Now let's just go to layout view. So your drawing is shown somewhere there, and then if I go to this layout, it is shown somewhere there. No problems. Anywhere let it be there. So let me just go to layout 1. I will just delete all this stuff because which I don't need. Okay, now it's all done. So now what I will do now, as usual, I go here, select a third angle projection, say OK, then go and select from model space from AutoCAD. Just come here, exactly this is what I needed. I just put it here, enter, go up, put somewhere here, enter. Click, come here, click, go here, click, and then enter. Okay, everything is there for you now. So what are the things I need now? I need to make a sectional view. So how do I do sectional view? Just click on this one. Why I need to click? Because I need to cut here if I need to see in the front. Just go section, full. Where shall I select? It is taking endpoints. I don't need it. Go to O snap, remove and take a midpoint. Okay. This is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Is it not? See? Come down, put it here. That's good job done. Enter. Okay. See here. Now your hole is seen. See? Different holes are seen here, and then this one through hole, it is here, and then this slot is here, and in the bottom you have got this slot. Everything is there with you now. So what I need to do, click on this one, right click, get rid of this. Okay, now I need to make dimensions. Just go to annotate, and then again in the annotate, change the modify, select the proper lines. I have got for color, make it black, and then text, let it be black, don't go for by block, and then primary units, make it 0, and then what do you see about the sizes of the text? It is 2.5. just let me make it 2. Okay, and then I will say okay, then fine, close, done. Now let me just quickly do the dimensioning from the end point to the end point. I have here, then again from this end point to this end point I am here. Okay, and then what else I need? I need from here to here I am here. Just excuse me, let me just make it a little big. From where? From this point to this point. See here, 37 I am there, and then from this midpoint to this point, see this is 25. Of course it was 25. I am here, right? And then what else I need? I need for this one. Sure. So go select the center point. Where is the center? Center of the circle is here. Okay. You go here, center is taking here, center to this circle center. Sure. How much is this? This is 20, and then just say continuous dimension, so it will catch from here, go here 20. Okay, and then what about this one? This is 37. Great job, enter. Okay, so what else I need now? I need this one from this point to this point. Sure, 16. I'll just put it here. That's great, enough for me. I think on top I have done almost everything. I need only to put the diameter of this circle. For this circle, I just need to select the diameter. For the circle I need to just go here, circle, okay, done. Okay, so almost I have done finished at the top. Now let me come to the front view. Let me go to the front view. In the front view I will just take this height 1, this should be okay, then this length should be 100, it is there, and then this height, it is there, that's fine, excellent. Then this height is there, excellent. And then what do I need? I need from this point to this point, the depth of this hole 20, correct? Okay, then is there anything else I need? I think almost everything is there. Now let me go here. From this point to this point it is 44. Then from here to here it is how much? 6. Now use continuous dimension, so it just marks it out to be here. Then to the next line it does here, enter. Okay, so now you have got see 56, 6, everything is there. And then is there anything else I need to do? Yeah, just do this height. This was 20, anyway I have marked there also. All other dimensions are there with me, so need not have to worry much. Almost everything is there, done. Okay, this is your drawing. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.